Josh is being brave and going on this ride for the first time ever. There's two.
Is it little or little or is it big?
It's little.
There's my baby.
I'm dizzy.
No, you're not.
Sorry about it.
Josh, calm down.
Josh got the bacon and cheddar ale soup. You have to rate it for us.
Out of what?
10.
Out
1
of
to 10 ladies, remember?
like 6.
6 ladies, and then you got the
Turkey pesto.
We got
Turkey pesto.
Is it good?
I would consider it like an 8. It's really good.
Okay.
she doesn't know how to rate.
What? Everyone has stuff on their face. You got the clam chowder bread bowl, and the girls got mac and cheese bread bowl. I have a strawberries and cream pommes, but I have not tried it yet. And Mr. Jaden has coconut curry with chicken. Yummy, yummy. Strawberry cold brew from Aunt Cass. That is good. I think my favorite one is that red velvet one. See, got, what is it called?
These nuts.
Rancho.
Birria,
Oh.
Urea.
carne asada,
Carne.
pollo, polo.
Pollo. Is it good?
That's racist. That's
Her second time going on this.
I'm thinking I have stuff on my head and I don't. Like, it's like, why are we holding on so long? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Can you tell me what the loop is?
Here we go, love. How'd you do? Ow!